my beautiful creatures, you all are welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Rosemary Renders, and thank you so much for my returning subscribers. I do appreciate you all. You all are the reason that I'm here today, and I love you all for that. So on today's video, I am going to show you all how I transformed this gorgeous lady. As a matter of fact, I didn't plan to make her hair until 2 days to the day we had an appointment, and she made mention of that, which I don't quite understand until she came and brought her a hair extension. Okay, before we proceed, if you've not subscribed to my channel, consider clicking that red button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time a new video goes up. So on today's video, I'm not going to explain how I apply whatever product I'm going to use. Just grab your seat, your popcorn, your drink, sit down and watch me transform this amazing lady to the queen she is and she will always be. So actually, this makeup was done on 31st of December 2020. We booked an appointment, but I never knew I was going to make her hair at the same time. It was 2 days to our appointment. She told me that she brought about the hair, which I didn't really understood what she meant. So I never understood her until she arrived at my place, with her hair extension, and her hair was unmade. I was like, oh my goodness, what am I going to do? What will I do? So I don't know. I thought of what to do until I said, okay, let me just pack her hair up. And because she was in a hurry, she also forgot her hair. She forgot her gel, and thank God I have gel in the house. So I use it to pack the hair. Just came up with something nice. I don't know. So just rate the hair. I don't know how it looks. I felt that it's nice, but I don't know. I don't know if it's okay. As a matter of fact, I had to give her the time because it's her wedding day. Yes, you heard me right. That was her wedding day. You know how it used to be. Now when you're doing wedding, you'll be here and there, busy. So as a matter of fact, the time she came to her wedding time is very much closer, less than 3 hours. I had to quickly to fix her hair. Her wedding is around, I think 10 to 10:30 or whatever, or thereabout, but she came around 7:30 to 8 o'clock. So I quickly had to do this, so that at least let her, look so beautiful as always she is, to do that. So how do you see the hair? If you think I did a good job, just leave your opinion at the comment section, alright? So that was how I made her hair, and afterwards I used a hair scarf to tie it, then use hand dryer to dry it before I go ahead for the main thing, which is the makeup. Actually, there was a time I made her up. That was during her traditional wedding or thereabouts. Yes, that was during her traditional wedding. And then I've never been to makeup school, and I never knew that I would become a pro makeup artist, And what brought her was that she always compliments my makeup during the language class that we had together. And she told me that she will come one day, and I said to her, okay, no problem. So on the day of her traditional wedding, she came for makeup, and after that she liked it, and people were asking her who made her up, So because of that, she refused to go anywhere during her wedding. That's even though they've recommended her to some people she will go and make up, she said no, if not Rosemary, that she's not going anywhere to make up. I said okay, am I not lucky? So that was how she came. I got her hair and face glammed up. So as you can see, she's always laughing. She's one soul. I know that she got no bitter. She's a very nice lady. She's very, very nice. I actually met her during our Netherlands class, language class, and ever since then we chat once in a while, and she will always laugh whenever I said funny things. She will laugh. She's just down to earth, and she can she can laugh for Africa. Oh my goodness, I've never seen such a person before. She's nice, she got no problem, and she's always willing to assist you whenever you need her, you know. Even when you're angry, and whenever she comes around you, I mean, you will start laughing because she's a very happy person. She's lovable, you know. She has no problem at all, you know. She's a very nice person, I must say. So take your time, relax while listening to the sound, and watch me to do the magic. And at the end of this video, just let me know at the comment section what you think about the whole look, and if it's good or not, and if there's something you want me to do in my next video, just leave it there. Normally I spend about 2 to 3 hours making up, but on this case I must say I can't believe that I achieved the whole look, both the hair and the makeup, in less than 2 hours. God, good thing is that she got an amazing face, no pigmentation at all, so smooth to apply any product without concealing anything. So just watch me, how I apply the foundation, how I apply the eye look, how I blend it, and so forth. All right. Guys, you can't believe the pressure I'm in during this makeup. The husband was calling, have you not finished, where are you? As a matter of fact, we didn't know that the husband has even came around. He parked outside the house, waiting, was there calling, and she would be saying, I'm coming out, until he said, I'm here, where are you? So we had to rush everything. Sometimes I'll be, oh my goodness, this one I've not put, this one I've not put, this one. I was so under pressure. I think this is an opportunity for me to work so well, and working under pressure, which is a challenge to me, and I love it. I quite love it. It makes me to know, maybe in time to come I might go to somewhere and they need work of 3 hours in less than 1 hour. I'll be able to achieve that. Is a great challenge, and I quite love it. I can't believe that. I can't even imagine it. If you watch in one of my videos, I made mention of that. I'm an accountant. I study an accounting, my BSc and my postgraduate at Oxford Brookes University. I did business management. At the end of the day, I found myself doing makeup, and one thing about it is that I kind of fell in love with it. I want to know more about makeup. The more I know about it, the more I want to go deep, because it's another world entirely that you want to explore, you want to know more, and I wish that I can grow and have my own brand one day. Who knows? So let's just see how the outcome will be. like I said earlier on, if there is anything you want me to do in my next video, if there's any look you want me to create or something, just leave it. Or what you want me to do, just leave it at the comment section. I will look into it and I will consider it, and I will try as much as possible to bring it alive. Okay, just tell me whatever you want me to do in my next video. Your wish is my command. So let's keep rolling and see. You know, we are almost at the end of the whole thing. We are contouring her face. You know, in this video I said I'm not going to mention the processes I followed. You know, as I've been repeating it, it's kind of becoming boring if you are watching my videos always. So just watch what I'm doing, and if you want, you can just try as much as possible to follow these steps. You know, some people told me that that they watch video of makeup and they want to make it, you know, they want to recreate that look. It's so difficult for them. They came up with something else. Let me tell you the simple secret here. If you want to know how to make up, or if you want to recreate what that person did, just bring your brushes, bring everything you're going to use, follow the steps one by one. Whatever the person do, pause your video and do that thing that the person did, and just try as much as possible, step by step. You will know that, you will see that at the end of the day you come up with similar thing that person did. So don't just watch the whole video and at the end you go and do. No, it doesn't really work that way. I had such experience even before I went to makeup school. So this is how we finally achieve our look. So what do you all think? This is my lady, my beautiful lady, my gorgeous queen. Rate this video, like, comment and share, and thank you for watching with me. Thank you for sticking around. I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.